Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are all fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in these videos. So dear viewers, today you will see in these videos unique girls bob haircuts, marvelous and stylish. You will see in these videos modern bob haircuts in 2022. So guys, I must suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. I have uploaded new stylish, unique long layers and short layers modern bob haircuts, attractive bob haircuts designs in 2022. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new stylish modern bob haircuts with bangs haircuts, double layers, monotop bob haircuts designs. I have uploaded new stylish back bob haircuts, sided pose bob haircuts, short bob haircuts and asymmetrical low bob haircuts. You will see new all stylish different haircuts designs. So viewers, please visit my YouTube channel. Check the all videos and get amazing ideas of different haircuts designs. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. I have uploaded new stylish unique haircuts designs. So viewers, please visit my YouTube channel. Check the all videos and get amazing ideas of different haircuts designs. I always try to bring new stylish different haircuts, unique bob haircuts designs. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos and you like this one bob haircuts designs. So take a screenshot and save your mobile. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Dear viewers, I will meet you in next videos.